Alright, here we are at IDM. Looks like we have this is a collector plate for the heat exchanger. Get my hand all the way up in there. That's shot. That's junk off of here. That's all what's left of that side of the collector. After further review, over here by the heat exchanger. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. It's inside the unit. One little hole, two little holes, three little holes, four. These are quarter-size holes. The dimensions on the unit. 47.5 by 47.5, and the return. This is the supply right here, and the return's on the other side. I'll show you what they've replaced some of the other units with.